Have you ever wondered what to do when your new couch doesn't fit through your door? Pet stains on your new carpet? Scratches on your antique heirloom? What can you do? How can you get reliable home service promptly? How much will it cost? 123 is home service on demand. Meet Alex. She can help you book your home service in just 3 simple steps. 123 Services is a revolutionary automated booking and dispatching service which will match your needs with a highly skilled technician and give you an accurate quote. Whether you need on-demand assembly or disassembly services, furniture repair, furniture cleaning, upholstery work, or carpet cleaning services, we can help you. With just 3 easy steps on our app, you can book and get trained technicians dispatched to your doorstep. 123 Services gives you a quotation right when you book, so you can budget accordingly. With years of experience in providing home service on demand, we offer quick, convenient, and reliable services to all areas. Visit our website today.